So the thing I love about this model home that's being sold, it's the last one the builder has. The name of the floor plan is the Jodeco. Look at this yard. You can put a swimming pool back here, playground, trampoline, basketball court. You name it. Nice size patio area. You can expand it later if you need more space. All right, guys. This is a new home built in Macon, Georgia. This is the model home. The builder is almost done and he's getting ready to sell it. So if you buy it, you get all the bells and whistles that the builder used. This area is now being used as an office, but they will convert it into a garage, and you'll be able to keep the mini split AC, your closet, or whatever that little door is right now. Over here you can have a nice and cozy family room. This fireplace is not real. It's open to the kitchen. You got a breakfast bar. Nice appliances, GE appliances, shaker cabinets. All right. Half bath on main. Take you upstairs. All right, this is one of the secondary bedrooms. I think you could put a nice queen size in here with at least one end table. Hold on, let me check out the closet. Decent sized closet. All right, another secondary bedroom. Closet size is decent here too. This home is being sold for $295,000. Check out the laundry room. Add you some cabinets up there to give you even more storage space. You'll be in the game. Full bathroom in the hallway. So we've seen 2 bedrooms so far. This is the 3rd bedroom. Nice closet. This the big boy. This the master. Where the bills get paid. Some nice decor in here. Nice ceiling fan. Controlled by remote. check out this master bathroom. He's in her closet. Garden bathtub. Double vanity sink. Linen closet. Yeah. Set up nice here. All right. We're in Macon, Georgia. $295. Builder say he ready to get rid of it. The last home available in the neighborhood. Trying to give you a peek of what the neighborhood look like. Let me know when you're ready to get your home out here in Macon.